this is the one that the Borderland were looking for. Great balls nicked in from the right, and again this left wing back position was vulnerable and perfectly positioned there. What a lovely cross that, lovely setup, and Arjun in the right position.
Like
look at that cross. The two substitutes coming into play, and what a great finish. That was a cross sent from and the match.
Long list of credits here has to be given. The first set of credits is to go to coach Glenn Kokrajhar for bringing on the two substitutes. Secondly, the credit must be given for a magnificent cross because it was inch perfect. And thirdly, the credit for the finish. Across the goalkeeper, cushioned header. He's put it back from where it came from. And history has repeated itself. Borderland are about to beat the Juggernauts once again at the Sai Stadium in Kokrajhar. They did it last year. They're almost doing it again.
It looks so.
As they come forward in search of what can be a third goal. Acres of space open. If the man on the right is spotted, he is spotted. The touch is decent, but Neeraj comes out. Makes a great save, and that would have been completely over for Juggernauts had that gone in. But as it stands, it's a great save. It's kept the score at 2-0.